Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my account. Today, I would like to touch base and talk about why does the war between Russia and Ukraine might affect in the next few weeks, maybe even the next few months, the crypto in general. Think about this. First of all, Putin banned crypto from his country about a year ago. Ever since then, we had a huge drop because Russia and Ukraine, by the way, they had mostly Ukraine, they had a very low price of electricity, and many mining company was in Ukrainian. Ever since the war started few months ago, all crypto went down. It is not because American does not get their unemployment anymore. There is a bigger news for that. You gotta open your minds and look a little bit deeper into what's happening in the world. I am not financial advice. I cannot advise you what to do and what not to do. It's my only opinion. But think about this. What's happening right now, especially in the past 24 hours, Putin decided to mobilize all the countries around him, all the men in the country. Most of the people in the world, by statistic, the one that doing crypto are men. Right now, he takes all the men to a war. Once again, let me repeat myself. All the men goes into a war. There will be no one, first of all, to mine crypto. Second of all, to buy and sell, which is mean probably crypto will go down. Once again, I cannot advise you what to do with your money. I do not sell my money. I probably only gonna buy when it will drop. But prepare to that. Prepare to the fact that in the next few months it might go down. Um, please, sorry. Please stay tuned to more news. Thank you. Bye bye.